Alright, so psychology skills program assignment 4. If we scroll down, it gives us the contents page, but I'm going to skip that bit. We're going to look at the first questionnaire, which is the athletic coping skills inventory. Okay, so you need to answer the questions and tick the boxes, which one you feel is most appropriate to you. Once you've done that, if you scroll on to the next page, you'll see the scoring system. So any question that does not have a star next to it uses this scoring system. So almost never 0, sometimes 1, often 2, almost always 3. And any statement that has the asterisk next to it, i.e. a star, the scoring system is almost never equals 3, sometimes 2, often 1, almost always 0. Okay, so what I would do if I was you, I would check my answer and then I would put the score next to it. You can see that the ones with the asterisks look like that. So you can see an asterisk on the end of question 3, another one on question 7, and so on. Okay, so you need to make sure you score each of your questions using that scoring system below. Once you've done that, you'll need to find a score for coping. So what you do is you add up the scores for question 5, 17, 21 and 24. So all I'd do if I was on here is I'd find out what I got for 5, 17, 21, so 17, 21 and 24, depending on what the score is I wrote here. Okay, you do the same for coachability, same for concentration, and you write the scores in here. Okay, so you write in what you got, and then you carry on for this side. So confidence, achievement, motivation, goal setting and mental preparation, peaking under pressure score, freedom from worry, and then the total of these scores. So you add up all the scores and you put it in here. That will be your overall score. Now, you need to turn those scores, these above scores here, into scores out of 10. So how do you do that? So if, for instance, I had a score of 8 for coping, what I do is I do 8, and we'll use a slash for divided, by 12 times by 10 equals, okay, so I'll do that on my calculator. 8 divided by 12 times by 10 gives me 6.6. So I'll round that up and that would be 7 out of 10. And you follow the same process for this. So your score divided by 12 times by 10. Okay, and you'll find out your score out of 10 for each of these categories here.